Every bright moment begins with power. Power that quietly powers homes, businesses, and dreams. Noida Power Company Limited continues to deliver reliable and responsible power, supporting Greater Noida's progress. Since 1993, NPCL has powered Greater Noida through a trusted partnership between RPSG Group and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority. With 335 square kilometers of reliable power distribution, we are powering a growing ecosystem of consumers. As the city grows, so do we. Expanding our network, strengthening infrastructure, and reaching more consumers than ever before. With an increasing number of substations and higher transformer capacity, we are ensuring stronger, more reliable supply benefiting thousands of customers across Greater Noida. Power supply today is more consistent, more dependable. Improved supply hours reflect our commitment to uninterrupted living and seamless business operations.
एनपीसीएल की सेवाएं बहुत अच्छी हैं और इनकी डिजिटल सेवाएं मुझे बहुत प्रभावित करती हैं। आप व्हाट्सएप पे कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं, आपको एसएलए टाइम मिल जाता है रिजोल्यूशन के लिए, और आप ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं पेटीएम या किसी भी पेमेंट के माध्यम से, जो कि बहुत ही सुविधाजनक होता है।
With integrated customer care centers and digital platforms, consumers can now access services faster and more conveniently than ever before. At the heart of this progress is the consumer. Our consumer satisfaction scores continue to rise, reflecting growing trust and improved service delivery. Through initiatives like Consumer Week, we engage directly, listen actively, and resolve faster. And with Urja Samman, our consumer loyalty program, we are building lasting relationships where every timely action is recognized and rewarded.
ऊर्जा सम्मान एनपीसीएल की एक ऐसी लाजवाब स्कीम जिसके बारे में न पहले कभी देखा न सुना।
We are not just keeping up with the future, we are building it. With the launch of our AI Council, NPCL is accelerating innovation through leadership-driven engagement. Supporting the transition to sustainable energy, NPCL continues to expand rooftop solar adoption across its network with increasing consumer participation in clean energy solutions. Safety is not a metric, it is a commitment. Zero fatalities stand as a testament to this unwavering focus. Continuous training and capability building ensure our people are always prepared, skilled, aware, and future ready. Our growth is powered by people. With increasing representation of women in our workforce, we are building a more inclusive and progressive organization. Strong financial discipline and efficient operations continue to drive NPCL's consistent performance. 182 national and international awards and recognitions over the last 5 years stand as a testament to NPCL's continuous journey of business excellence, innovation, and leadership. A culture that empowers people, encourages collaboration, and inspires excellence has made NPCL a great place to work, certified organization. NPCL is the only DISCOM in Uttar Pradesh to achieve the A+ rating in both the 14th Annual Integrated Ratings and the Customer Service Ratings of DISCOMs for financial year 2025-26 issued by the Ministry of Power. For the 5th consecutive year, NPCL has secured A+ rating in the Annual Integrated Ratings and Rankings of DISCOMs by the Ministry of Power. Further re-strengthening its position, NPCL has been recognized as India's third best power distribution utility in the Distribution Utility Rankings by the Ministry of Power, Government of India. Beyond power distribution, NPCL contributes to community development through initiatives focused on education, health, environment, and livelihood. Our responsibility goes beyond electricity. Guided by visionary leadership and supported by a committed workforce, NPCL continues to innovate, evolve, and deliver. Powering progress every day.